In this video, I'm going to show you how to add terms and conditions in your Shopify store. So first thing, you want to navigate to the bottom left corner and click Settings. Then on the left-hand side, you want to navigate to the bottom and click on Policies. Once you click Policies, you're going to see that you have the option to choose to add a refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, contact information, and a legal notice. So actually, Shopify gives us the ability to create from a template, which is really handy. All you got to do is just click this button right here, and it's going to add this for you. Then you can do the same for privacy policy and for terms of service. Once you've done this, you can simply click Save at the bottom top right corner, and now you've created your store policies. However, if you want to add these policies to the footer of your store, what you want to do is you want to navigate back to Online Store, click on Pages, and here we're going to create a new page. We're going to call it Terms of Service. And now, once we've created this page, we're going to save it just blank. We're going to go back to Settings, back to Policies. We're going to find our Terms of Service, which is right here. We are going to click Command A or choose all of the text, and we're going to copy this text. Then we're going to save it again, close this, go back to Pages, go to our Terms of Service page, and paste everything that we've just copied and click Save. Now, once you've done this, the next step you want to do is you want to go to Navigation on the left here, and you want to go to your footer menu right here. Click on Footer menu, and then you want to add menu item. And here you can simply click Link, Pages, Terms of Service, and voila. Then you click Add. Once you've added it, then you click Save. And to make sure that everything works, you want to click on this icon right here next to Online Store, scroll all the way to the bottom, and now you can see that Terms of Service was added here at the footer of your Shopify store. So this is how you add terms and conditions to your Shopify store. Thank you for watching.